Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Icon by Merx Realty located in Mahalakshmi, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, and towards my right is also the actual land parcel of the project where the tower will be constructed. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1.25 acres that will have one tower. As you can see in the model, it will have two wings of ground plus 54 story, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and Jodi residences. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Pius Street, Mahalakshmi, from where metro station is at a distance of 3 minutes, Mahalakshmi railway station is at a distance of 5 minutes, Baikala railway station is at a distance of 7 minutes, and you have BKC at a distance of 20 to 25 minutes via the sea link. Now talking about the amenities, this project has 40 plus amenities. As you can see in the model, it will have a swimming pool, kids play area, clubhouse, gym, tennis court, cricket turf. Also, it has a Jain temple within the vicinity of the project. And now talking about the configurations and carpet area, as said, this project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences, with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 660 and 700 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 900 and 1125 square feet. Also, the project has Jodi options available. And now talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. And so everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Icon by Merx Realty located in Mahalakshmi, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.